Okay, Mario, once again, today is Wednesday, October 29, 2025. In this video, I'm going to be discussing some of the components here of this conversion from DC brush conversion. It was done on the original Bumblebee. This is all my own design. I used to sell these back in the day, around 2000s, early 2000s, with regular DC motors. And so I decided to use my own conversions or my own winds on these some of these repurposed motors. That's a 2210 motor that I rewound, and it's working out really well. This thing is lifting at as you see it there. It's missing the two servos and the receiver with gyro, speed control, and components, for the swash plane, the links. But other than that, this is lifting. It's got plenty power to not only lift this assembly with that battery. That's a heavy battery, by the way. A two cell. I believe it's 500, 450 milliamp hour battery, but I put it there just for weight purposes, to see if I can get an idea of lift. I just basically hold the tail and power it up and get an idea. That's how I've been doing it, my tests for many years, and I've gotten a good hold on knowing when the helicopter is going to work, just by doing it that way, but just by feel, so to speak. But eventually I end up putting this on test stands where I can measure the thrust, just like I do my other videos with the propellers, for the other motors that I was testing. This is lifting really well. You can see there's a coupler here. This is an aluminum coupler. I employ these hex stuck aluminum couplers in a lot of stuff. I've done this for my own CNC machines, and no reason why not to use the same here, except in smaller size. So in this to couple the 3mm shaft on this motor to the 3/32 shaft, and these were my own shafts, that I had to cut and make for this helicopter originally. So that's the reason for that coupler. I could just go with a 3mm shaft directly to that and remove that shaft there and just put one piece there. That's an option, but this is fine. The blades, as you can see here, I have a couple of rotors here. This is the 3D printed version, and this is the original Bumblebee rotor with 3D printed blades. Now the blades, you can see, this is what I started with, this blade, and then I went to this one, and these are actually a little bit longer and skinnier, and it's working perfect. Lifting at around 15-16 watts at 7.5